Here's exactly what I do to bring in at least €50 a day, and to do so with resources you've most likely already got on your computer. Hi, my name is Dave Litten. I'm 72 years old and live in Spain. And I've been making a full-time living online for years, selling really simple products to people who actually want them because they solve simple problems. In my better months, I sell €6,000 or more, but I sure don't want you to think that I do that every month. However, my simple product sales rarely bring in less than €3,500 a month. So the question you may be asking is, what do you need to do exactly what I do? Well, it's easy to tell you what I don't use to create these super simple problem-solving products. I certainly don't use any of these. And I won't go through them all, but you can see there YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and so on. Thank goodness for that. I call those the Willy Wonka mobile of internet marketing, because you just don't need all that stuff. The tools you will need to create your first simple products are probably already lurking on your computer or smartphone right now. Look, this is really, really simple. Here is my offer. I'm going to take you step by step through what I've called the Litten Method. Very humble of me, isn't it? Of product making. And I'll do this every week on video. I'll be sending you at least one video along with accompanying handbooks every week. And for how much exactly? For just €5 a week. And you can cancel any time. And at that price, you really can't go wrong. You'll only be billed monthly. That's €20 a month. I send my videos out and the printable lessons to you every week. And my lessons are easy to understand in simple, bite-sized steps. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, Dave, but does your method mean I have to create my own product? Well, yes, I'll show you exactly how I do that. And you may be feeling that you don't know enough about any specific product niche to create something that people will buy. So do you have to create your own product? Well, the answer is no, you don't. In fact, many of my expat students make a great living online simply reselling top quality problem-solving products that other people have already made for you. And I will teach you exactly where to find these ready-made products as part of the Litten Method. In fact, that's how I recommend we get you started. So yes, you absolutely can make a nice living online, even without a product of your own to start off with. You see, risk reversal is knowing that you can cancel at any time. Of course you can, but as a bribe to get you to smash that subscribe button, I'm going to go one step further and not just reverse the risk for you, but remove all the risk to you entirely. And how do I do that? By giving you something as a sign-up bonus that on its own sells for £39 all day long. And by the way, that's double your financial commitment today. You see, this year I've written a special report and video called Making Money in Moments, which I will send you immediately as my way of saying thank you for joining Expat Profit today. This special 52-page report plus a 28-minute accompanying video in glorious detail shows you step by step how to make money simply buying very low price items online, staggeringly as low as just 1p, and immediately going on to resell them exactly as they are at a much higher price elsewhere online. I even include lots of photographs and images of these unusual items, along with exactly where to buy them and exactly where to turn them around and resell them for a huge profit margin. Plus, I've also now expanded the report to include things you can get amazingly for free to add value to other everyday items. Intrigued? Well, again, I show you exactly where to sell them with real live examples. And by the way, you don't need a website for this. Indeed, after reading this report, you could start making money within just a handful of days. Now, I'm sure you'll agree, this insider e-commerce information is easily worth double what you're about to spend. And you get immediate access to making money in moments when you sign up for my Expat Profit weekly videos today. Now, you can read the rest of this page if you want, but it just repeats what you've just seen and heard. So let's get going. Just click the button below and let's get you started. Remember, you only risk a whopping €5 a week, and you can cancel at any time. No fuss, no muss. My name's Dave Litten, and I look forward to you and I meeting up again on the inside.